Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Your user role must permit edits, and you should have ID and bank proof as PDFs. Once ready, open Ifms 3.0 and complete two-factor authentication so the system grants edit access. Click Profile Personal Details to begin. Why now? Because entering data only works when your session has full privileges, otherwise changes will be rejected. Make sure to note the reference number shown after login so you can track the change request. You will now edit the actual fields. Click the specific field, enter corrected text, and use the Upload button for supporting documents. The system accepts PDF, JPG, PNG, and enforces size limits. Once you input changes, Ifms runs inline validation, fix any red errors immediately. After all fields validate, review the change summary to confirm why each update is necessary. Then click Save Draft if you need approval later or Submit for immediate processing. Finish by submitting the change and recording the transaction reference ID displayed on screen. Once submitted, monitor the approval queue. If your update remains pending beyond 48 hours, contact the named approver with the reference ID for faster resolution. After approval, verify the updated details in profile and in any linked payroll or vendor modules. If the system fails to save, clear your browser cache, relogin, and retry. If that fails, escalate to Help Desk with the reference ID and attached documents for troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.